We are in the backyard here with MJ, and we're doing a super fast video project called Transplanting. Okay, so you have to be able to multitask, do 5 things at once around here. So, remember those seeds we planted the other day? Here they are. These are the pak choi plants that we planted the other day. We had aimed to plant 2 to 3 per hole, but you can see there's actually plenty per hole, so we're gonna have to thin those out. The reason why you plant so many per hole is, if you look at these 4 trays right here, none of them grew. So these are really old seeds. That's why I said put plenty per hole, because sometimes the seeds just don't germinate. This is arugula, a little too early to transplant as well. But you see we can thin that out, and ultimately you just want 1 plant per container like this. Right here, we planted way too many seeds per cell, so you're gonna have to thin that out. And you can see they're also stretching, so they need more light once they come out of the soil. So take the extra out very carefully. Take the extra out like this. See what I did there? And you can start thinning them so there's just 1 plant per every cell, so that each one has enough room to grow. Getting that? 1, 1, 1. This one has too many. This one has too many as well. Very quickly, because MJ has a scissors. All the extra that we thinned out from the tray, they're not going to go to waste. We're going to transplant them into another pot, and so that we'll have extra. And did you know, when I'm doing this video, I'm actually doing 2 things at once. So we're playing here, and I'm narrating on the other half. Okay, here we go. So you can take the ones that you pulled out, you can put them into a new pot, give them more room to grow. This potting mix has fertilizers, so it's gonna take off really nicely. You can use cups like this and just cut them with a scissors. Plug this back in, let it go. It's gonna go through shock because you just basically pulled it out of its home and put it in a new home. It doesn't like it. It's gonna go like this. It's not gonna be happy for a little while, but you keep it moist, you make the humidity high. Eventually it's gonna start liking its new home a little bit better, be happy. And then if you give it more space, they will start to fill out the container and be a little bit more happier. You don't really wanna crunch all the plants together unless you're going for microgreens. So transplanting is essential. You can use something like this, which is MJ's water bottle, which holds on the top, and you can just make sure that they're moist, and you want to keep the humidity high until their roots are established in its new home. Okay? So this is our chisel after transplanting. It went through a little bit of shock, but it's kept in the shade, and we missed it 2 to 3 times a day, and it seems to be taking okay. So this will go out to some friends that we have. There's a little bit of water balloons here, but So guys, that's how we do it. This is how we play in the backyard and try to garden. It's a multitask kind of system. Do you want to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Give them aloha.